Complete tarot reading for Aquarius, September 2025. Let's put the Aquarius cards on the table. The Star, the Fool, Eight of Swords, Three of Wands, Nine of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Six of Cups, Strength, the High Priestess, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Temperance, the Empress, the Magician, the Moon, Knight of Wands. September 2025 brings intense transformational energy to Aquarius, with Saturn retrograde in Pisces acting in your second house of finances, combined with a solar eclipse also in Pisces. This month offers profound opportunities for reevaluation and material manifestation. Cosmic energy calls for balance between innovation and stability, between dreams and concrete action. The Star dominates the overall energy of September, bringing leadership, inspiration, and healing. This arcana indicates that after periods of disillusionment, you are ready to reconnect with your deepest truth. The Star suggests renewed confidence in your path and in the manifestation of your desires. Store positive surprises and meaningful synchronicities. The Fool appears as your purpose card, falling in a month conducive to spiritual guidance and adventures. Your mission in September is to maintain faith in the unknown and follow your intuition, even when the path is unclear. This is a time to leave behind old fears and embrace new possibilities with childlike courage. The Eight of Swords reveals this month's main challenges: self-imposed limitations and fear of making decisions. You may feel trapped by limitations or fear of judgment. The key is to recognize that many of these barriers exist only in the mind. Freedom comes from the courage to remove the self-imposed barriers. The Three of Wands appears as your opportunity card, bringing expansion, growth, and long-term vision. This month offers opportunities to expand your horizons, whether professionally, emotionally, or spiritually. Be alert to proposals that come out of nowhere and be open to unexpected collaborations. The Nine of Cups as the final card indicates emotional satisfaction and the fulfillment of your deepest desires. If you follow the right guidelines and work with the available energies, September will bring a sense of fulfillment and contentment. This is a month in which your inner efforts begin to manifest externally. The Eight of Pentacles shows that your current work is being recognized and valued. This card indicates material success through consistent and dedicated effort. Remain focused on your ongoing tasks and projects. Rewards for work already done may come unexpectedly. The King of Pentacles reveals your financial potential, stability, practical wisdom, and uncertainty. This card suggests that you possess all the qualities necessary to build material security ethically and sustainably. Trust in your ability to manage resources and make wise financial decisions. The Two of Cups appears as your emotional love card, representing deep connections based on harmony and mutual understanding. If you are in a relationship, expect moments of great intimidation and spiritual connection. If you're single, a meaningful connection may emerge through shared interests or old friendships. The Six of Cups suggests that relationships based on nostalgia, comfort, and familiarity will be highlighted. This month may bring reunions with people from the past, or opportunities to create bonds that demonstrate family from the beginning. The energy favors authentic, pressure-free connections. Strength appears as your physical health card, underscoring the importance of balancing inner strength with self-compassion. This month calls for special attention to emotional well-being, as it is directly linked to physical health. Self-care practices and exercises that strengthen the body and mind are especially beneficial. The High Priestess, as a spiritual card, suggests a favorable period for introspection and connection with inner wisdom. This month favors meditative practices, the study of esoteric themes, and attentive listening to intuition. Trust the insights that arise during moments of silence and reflection. The Three of Wands dominates the first half of September, bringing an energy of expansion and strategic planning. This is an excellent time to initiate projects with growth potential, make important connections, and envision long-term goals. Stay alert to opportunities on the horizon. The Ten of Pentacles dominates the second half of the month, diminishing material success and emotional stability. This card suggests that previous efforts are beginning to manifest as tangible achievements. Expect public recognition for your work and opportunities to consolidate important accomplishments. The Five of Swords appears as a warning card, diminishing the importance of avoiding unnecessary conflicts and destructive competition. This month may bring attempts to win at any cost, but true victory lies in maintaining integrity and inner peace. Choose battles that are truly worthwhile. The star returns as a victory card, reinforcing that the generosity of the universe is available to you. This energy brings emotional healing, artistic inspiration, and renewed confidence. Stay open to receiving and ensure that your needs will be met in unexpected ways. Temperance, as counsel of the heart, indicates the importance of balancing extremes and seeking harmony in all areas of life. This month calls for patience, moderation, and the ability to find the middle ground between opposites. Practice the art of waiting for the right moment and combining different elements creatively. The Empress, as counsel of the mind, suggests nurturing ideas, projects, and relationships with care and attention. Use your creativity to manifest practical solutions while staying connected to nature and your sensitive side. Logic must be tempered with intuition and empathy. The Magician, as spiritual counsel, indicates that you possess all the tools to manifest your deepest desires. This month favors direct action, clear interest, and the conscious use of your natural gifts. Connect with your will to power and use it to create positive change. The Moon, as a timing card, suggests that the best results will come through attentive listening to intuition and recognizing natural cycles. This month calls for patience with processes that are not immediate and trust in insights that emerge during periods of uncertainty. Wisdom comes through patient observation. The Knight of Wands, as an action card, indicates that bold initiatives and swift movement will yield significant results. This month favors the courage to follow your creative impulses and the willingness to take calculated risks. The energy calls for energy and determination to bring important projects to fruition. September 2025 offers a month of profound transformation for Aquarius. The combination of the star, as the dominant energy, with the eclipse in Pisces, creates a powerful portal for manifestation and emotional healing. Your main areas of focus should be: financially, trust the process of rewards for consistent work. Emotionally, seek authentic and meaningful connections. Spiritually, stay open to inspiration and intuition. Practically, balance boldness with wisdom. Recommended actions for September: daily, practice gratitude and visualize your goals clearly. Weekly, review your projects and adjust strategies as needed. Monthly, celebrate small and large achievements as milestones of progress. September's energy favors those who maintain faith in their unique paths and who desire to combine innovation with practical wisdom. Trust the process and remain. Spiritual message for Aquarius, September 2025. The universe is calling you to a profound journey of self-discovery and spiritual transformation this September. With Saturn retrograde in Pisces illuminating your financial house, you are being invited to reevaluate not only your material values, but also your most fundamental spiritual principles. This is a sacred opportunity to align your actions with your deepest truth, allowing inner wisdom to guide every decision you make. The star shines brightly upon your path, bringing with it the promise of emotional healing and spiritual renewal. After periods of disillusionment or discontent, you are ready to reconnect with the divine source that dwells within. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, sending you synchronicities and victories hidden within challenges. Keep your heart open to receive the positive surprises that are being woven specifically for your journey. The Fool appears as your spiritual guide this month, reminding you that true wisdom often comes through the courage to follow the unknown with unwavering faith. Your mission is to stay true to your intuition, even when the path doesn't seem clear or logical. Let go of old fears that have served their purpose and embrace new possibilities with the innocence and excitement of a child seeing the world for the first time. The Eight of Swords reveals that many of the limitations you experience are creations of your own mind. The veils that obscure your vision are not external barriers, but rather limitations that can be removed through inner courage. Spiritual freedom is available right now. All that is required is to recognize that you alone are responsible for removing the blinders placed over your own eyes. The Three of Wands suggests that this is a time of conscious expansion and farsightedness. The universe is asking you to broaden your spiritual perspective, connecting with greater truths that transcend everyday concerns. Be alert to opportunities that arise unexpectedly, for it is often seemingly serendipitous moments that hold the sensations of greatest spiritual transformation. September offers a powerful gateway to manifesting your most authentic truth into the physical world. With the Force and the High Priestess guiding your path, you have all the tools to balance inner power with compassion, intuition with action. Trust the divine process that is underway, stay true to your unique spiritual mission, and allow the light that dwells within you to illuminate not only your own path, but also inspire all those who cross your path. For those of you who have stuck around, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like it, and leave a comment. See you in the next videos.